Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm talking all about Citronella essential oil. Before we get started, I wanted to mention Ana Luisa again. I love them so much. The quality is amazing. They're carbon neutral. They have just like classic and timeless pieces. I like simple things that I can pair together because I don't like something to be too much because then I feel like I can't wear like the earrings to go with. So this is a newer necklace. It's like a hammered metal necklace, and then I have all of these rings. I love to stack all of the different rings. So there's this one. This has like just a solid band. Actually, this one has the stones in it. Then a tiny stone with a very thin. I love that paired together. These are adjustable, which is really cool. So you can make them fit any finger. This one is the same, but I just love pairing all of them together. This one has stones all around. They just have so many different classic pieces. So go check them out if you haven't already. I'll put the link in they always have sales too, so if they're not having a sale at this current moment, they will be soon, but look for that. But anyways, let's talk about Citronella. There are two different ones from what I'm gathering, and we all know Citronella is like the bug repellent. So I'll go over like the basics like I usually do in these videos, the name, the medical properties, how we like to use Citronella, and then links in my favorite brands and things. So the first thing I'll say or go over are the names, which I can never pronounce, so I'll put them here. There are two different Citronellas, and I have the two brands that I have on hand are Simply Earth and Young Living. They are two different ones. So the Simply Earth is the Simbo Pogon Winter and Eris. And then the Young Living one is the Nardis variety of Citronella. They come from different places. I'm assuming the Simply Earth one is from Indonesia, and it is steam distilled from the leaves, which they're both steam distilled. And when you're looking for an essential oil company, you want to make sure that they're testing their oils and doing everything right. Simply Earth has the Simply Pure Promise. You can look up this number and check the batch and quality and see all of that good stuff. But anyways, just make sure you're not buying like gas station or Hobby Lobby or Target essential oils. Make sure it's a reputable brand that does testing and everything right. But anyways, the medical uses are antibacterial, antifungal, antiseptic, and that was just from, oh, I just got this book, you guys. This is such a good one. I found this at Goodwill too. It's Essential Oils, Ancient Medicine, and it is by Dr. Josh Axe, Ty Bollinger, and Jordan Rubin. I love this. I like Dr. Josh Axe? Yeah, Dr. Josh Axe. Oh my gosh, I can't say his name. Anyways, Citronella, medical properties from the Life Science book that I always reference to. And I will say, just make sure you're getting your resources from a lot of different places. Don't just read one book or listen to one video. Make sure you're getting a range of resources as far as like where you're getting your information. But the medical properties from this book is powerful antioxidant, antibacterial, antifungal, insect repellent, anti-inflammatory, antispasmodic, and anti-parasitic. My friend Rain talks about parasites a lot and how to cleanse and get rid of them and whatever, but it kind of freaks me out, so I haven't done it yet, but I probably will eventually. But go check out her page if you're interested in that. She helps people heal now too. She's a certified practitioner. So anyways, that just reminded me of her. But the uses from this book also: respiratory, muscle, nerve pain, digestive, anxiety, skin problems, and also skin penetration enhancer. So there are like a group of essential oils that help other essential oils work better. This one specifically helps penetrate the skin better. So always learning something and always like blown away by oils. But anyways, the Ancient Medicine book, this says that Citronella has a light citrus aroma. I think it's very strong and very potent. Citronella is like you know that it's on. It's not light in any way, in my opinion. As a concentrated form of antioxidants and phytochemicals, steam distilled from the plant's stems and leaves. It's been used for centuries in China, Indonesia, and Sri Lanka to help decrease rashes, inflammation, infections, pain, and other conditions. So it's been used for thousands of years for a lot of different ways. I think we just here in America use it for bug repellent. So I like sharing all the different ways that we can use it. They also have recipes in here, and I'll try to share like the good ones in the description so I don't just say them and then you have to catch it. So look in the description if you want these. recipes too, but repel insects. We just diffuse, like in our diffuser we have one for the patio. We put a few drops in. It really does work well. I have a spray bottle too that I'll spray like around the doors. We have like a lot of bug problems, so I use it a lot for that. But to reduce pain and swelling, it says to massage 3 to 5 drops onto swollen joints. You always want to make sure you dilute your oil too. You can diffuse to relax your body and mind. This also has a recipe or a use for helping detox your body. So you can add it to your Epsom salt when you take a bath, or use it as like a massage and aiding in sweating more, which is something that I do a lot, weekly at least, because my lymph is pretty stagnant sometimes. And so I do a lot of things like dry brushing and the detox Epsom salt bath to kind of get my sweat going. So if you need help in that area, you can add it to that. This says to add it with 2 drops of citronella to a teaspoon of raw honey, 2 drops of lemon and hot water, and to drink it. If you use your oils internally, that's a good idea or a good option for you. You just want to make sure they're the best quality if you're using them internally and using them properly. Clean and deodorize the home. I like to make like carpet sprinkles, so I'll add a few drops to baking soda and poke some holes in the top of a mason jar just to sprinkle on the carpet. Let that kind of soak for a little bit and then vacuum it up. It works really well. You can also add it, so if you have the vacuums where your filter is accessible, you can just pull out the filter and add a few drops. We have the Dyson stick vacuum I like to do that with. It makes the whole house smell really good because it just like puts off that aroma too. So that's another way to use to kind of like deodorize your home, also diffusing obviously. So for pets, there's a lot of dog info in here. Cats are super sensitive to oil, so this is for dogs, not cats, but you can combine 3 drops of citronella with coconut oil and massage the mixture on small areas of your pet's skin to kind of help calm. It also helps with bug repellent too, so that would be like a twofold like kind of way to use it. And the last idea that is in here that I'm excited about, so for hair I have like a after shower spray. It's mainly rosemary and a few other, but citronella can help eliminate excess oil and greasiness from the hair while also adding shine and fighting dandruff. So I'm definitely adding that to my after shower spray. Okay, the next thing I'll share are the main constituents, or the main just like components of the oil. These are what do different things specifically in the oil, so it makes them have their therapeutic benefits, if you will. So citronellol, 2 different ones, I'll put them here, and then geraniol. And there are a lot of benefits for each one, and then specifically together they work in the way that they do. And all of those constituents together are just what makes citronella work the way that it does. So I just always include that because I love learning about that. Lastly, I'll talk about pricing and then the brands that we use. So first, Plant Therapy. They're all going to be a little bit different in size, so I'll include the size too, but I'll try to put this up here so you can see. They have an organic option, which is always my preferred, either organic or wild crafted. That's important. But their 10 ml organic is $8.95. 10 ml regular non-organic is $7.95, and then they have a 100 milliliter bottle option, which is cool, especially if you're diffusing it a ton outside like we do. And that is $19.95, so a really good price for such a huge bottle of oil. And that one's not organic though. Next brand is Revive. We also use Revive. We are just starting to get into them. We haven't used them for a long time yet, but their 10 ml bottle is $8, and they are either organic or wild crafted. That's what they say on the website. And then a 30 milliliter bottle is $16. So I like the 30 ml also. That's a pretty good size bottle. So this is 15. So if you can just kind of compare, I mean, double this, that's a huge bottle of essential oil, because you only need, I don't know, 3 to 5 drops when you're diffusing, and 3 to 5 drops for most like recipes. So next is Young Living. We do use Young Living still. 15 ml bottle, $27.30 if you're not a member. If you are a member, you get 24% off that. Rocky Mountain Oils, 15 ml bottle is $16.95, and then Simply Earth, 15 ml bottle is $11.99. So do your research and comparison on what brand you want to use. Those are the ones that we use and approve of. Like I said, you want to make sure that the oils are being tested. You want to make sure they're harvested properly. Good like ethical farming practices too. That's always a good thing to look for. So to recap, the main uses for citronella: repel insects, as we all know, reduce pain and swelling, relax your body and mind for you and your pet, detoxify the body and kidneys if you are taking, or if you are comfortable with using essential oils internally, clean and deodorize your home in all areas. You can clean your vacuum with it too, clean your washing machine, clean your dishwasher, your fridge. It just leaves everything smelling super fresh and clean. And then to support hair health, which I'm super excited about. I'll keep you guys updated and let you know if that works for me, but I'm definitely going to add it to my shine spray for after shower. But anyways, let me know how you use citronella, and if you like these videos, let me know what essential oil you want me to do next. Thank you guys so much for watching. The link to shop Ana Luisa, again, will be in the description, as well as all of that I talked about and our favorite brands. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye.